What about planning math? Knowing the basics for planning mathematics is essential while planning events. Yeah, you got that right. Planning math equals event budgeting or cost estimates of our planned actions. We all know it can be quite challenging to find an optimal input-output-outcome balance for all different pieces of our event production. We want to reach our target outcomes, like a certain level of customer satisfaction and experience, but not by overspending. If we have set some financial targets for our projects, we should stick with them also while we are planning our events. Because if we don't care these in planning, we will be financially in very big problems. This all means we need to have a system to track our cost estimates toward our budgets, and eventually to locate cost estimates smoothly by production items or resources, and also by different customers, event stages and steps of our event. Tracking costs and following up our budgets is an ongoing process throughout the event, but I pay the most attention to this already in planning phase. Nothing is more frustrating than needing to cut costs close to the events for not staying on budgets and seeing we have overspent in irrelevant spots and need to save and usually weaken our event content and experience for our customers in other parts. My work for staying in control with production costs include basically these three things. 1. Always make a cost estimates for all production items, that's space, staff and service items, while composing a production plan. It doesn't matter if we don't really know the real costs at this point. A good guess helps us a lot. And probably we are able to refer the estimates based on our past productions, general price lists, or checking these from experts or just from internet. 2. Use cost estimate and budget tools that enables us to get summaries on our costs and easily locate sources of those costs. Basically, I have linked my production planning in terms of inputs for cost estimates to budget summary where I follow my production. At any moment during my planning work, I get information on cost estimates related to venues, products, event staff, support, service providers, customer groups, or certain experiences, services, and acts we provide. 3. Review a production cost estimate closely before confirming a plan or part of it. By reviewing our cost estimates from time to time, we get a great understanding of the cost structure of our event. We also identify spots easily where we overspend related to our target outcomes. These are much easier to adjust and replan in planning phase than during implementation.